The Levoit Core 300P Air Purifier is a compact 3-stage air cleaner with HEPA-grade and activated carbon filters that capture dust, pollen, smoke, pet dander, and odors. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Levoit Core 300P Air Purifier. Original filter. Start guide and user manual. Product overview. Fan speed indicators. Fan speed button. Sleep mode button. Timer button. Timer indicators. On/off button. Display lock button. Check filter indicator. Display off button. Air outlet. Housing. Air inlet. Power cord. Filter cover. Original filter. How to use. Flip the air purifier over. Twist the filter cover counterclockwise and remove it. Remove the filter from its plastic packaging and place the filter back into the air purifier with the handle facing up. Replace the filter cover and twist clockwise to lock. Place the air purifier on a flat, stable surface, leaving at least 15 inches of clearance on all sides for proper airflow. You can choose from 3 fan speed options, set a timer from 1 to 12 hours, and easily access other helpful features with a simple tap on the control icons. Maintenance. Unplug before cleaning. Wipe the outside of the air purifier with a soft, dry cloth. It is necessary to wipe the housing with a damp cloth, then immediately dry. Vacuum the inside of the air purifier. The outer pre-filter should be cleaned every 2 to 4 weeks to increase the efficiency and extend the life of your filter. Clean the pre-filter using a soft brush or vacuum hose to remove hair, dust, and large particles. Smart features. Creates an air vortex that increases the air purifier's power and efficiency, distributing more clean air throughout the room. Uses shock pads to reduce noise from the motor and increase abrasion resistance, extending the life of the motor. Wake up to fresh, clean air as this purifier continuously removes dust, pollen, smoke, and odors while you sleep. Set the 2 to 8 hour timer to run the purifier for just the right amount of time without having to manually turn it off. This feature makes it easy to customize air cleaning for your schedule while saving energy. Sleep mode keeps the purifier running quietly at a low fan speed for minimal noise. It provides gentle, uninterrupted air cleaning so you can rest comfortably all night comfortably. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the Levoit Core 300P Air Purifier from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Levoit Core 300P Air Purifier. See you in the next one.